I'm 34 years old and have spent the last 10 years selling online, whether it was for my own business or someone else's, producing more than 17 million sales online. And here are 40 brutal lessons I learned about sales that I wish I learned in my 20s. Number 1, most training is motivational garbage. While you're busy worshipping Andy Elliott, Jordan Belfort, and Grant Cardone, your prospects are getting smarter. Enthusiasm doesn't pay the bills, solving real problems does. Their strategies from the 2000s may have worked back then, but the market has moved on and so should you. Number 2, high ticket equals high pressure, no matter how you cut it. Nobody casually just drops 10K. The bigger the price tag, the more pressure you feel, and clients can smell it like blood in the water. Master your emotions or get eaten alive. The real 6-figure and 7-figure earners, they're not the ones sweating when they say the big numbers. Number 3, you're not behind, you're just lazy or you're just not good enough yet. The top performers in your company didn't start with better leads or better territories, they just outworked you while you were busy making excuses. Number 4, no one cares about your quota. What they care about is cash in the bank. Your prospects don't care that you need 3 more deals to hit President's Club or another deal to hit a bonus. They care about their problems. So your manager's pressure isn't their emergency. Focus always on solving their pain and upgrading their identity instead of your commissions. Number 5, excuses will eat your earnings. The past few months I watched sales rookies blame everything: the economy, the tariffs, the product, the pricing. Meanwhile, top reps in the same offices as them have the exact same deals and close way more deals. So your excuses might feel warm and comfortable, but they're empty in your bank account. Number 6, no one wants a follow-up. They want a reason to care. Your checking in emails are digital trash. Every touch point needs to deliver value or insight. If you've got nothing new to say, you have no reason to call or to text. Number 7, people sense and smell desperation. Prospects can smell commission breath from a mile away. The moment you need the sale more than they need the solution, you've lost. So having an abundance mindset isn't just woo-woo fairy dust. It's a difference between begging and closing. Number 8, confidence isn't optional. It's the whole game. Your product knowledge means nothing if you deliver it like you're apologizing. Sales is transferred conviction. If you don't believe it's worth every penny, why the hell would they even buy? Number 9, accept that everyone lies. Let me think about it means no 90% of the time. Sending more information is the modern day hang-up. So stop pretending their smoke screens are genuine objections. Find the real objection behind the smoke screen, handle it if you want to get the sale. Number 10, being liked means nothing in sales. Being liked is like being paid in Monopoly money. It feels nice, but it won't pay you dinner. It's like a fast car without an engine. Charm without conviction gets you nowhere. What I like is having respect. Because at the end of the day, respect will close the deal and it will pay the bills. Number 11, working harder at the wrong things is still failing. Making more bad calls isn't progress. Perfecting a presentation and a questioning process nobody wants to hear isn't you hustling. Track what works, eliminate what doesn't work. Work smarter and then keep working harder. Number 12, managers love metrics. So if you want them to like you, you better know your numbers. Your inspiring story about almost closing everything means nothing. Your boss needs numbers. So track everything. Calls made, meetings booked, close rates, revenue produced. Numbers don't lie, and it's your only shield when results dip. Number 13, filling up the pipeline is fake and it's just noise. Fill up your pipeline with the right leads instead of accepting every single lead you have to talk to. Stuffing your CRM with leads that will never close and hoping they do is just a waste of your time. People use that excuse that sales is a numbers game, and that means they usually suck. Sales is all about skills, and the top performers who have the most skills close deals consistently regardless of the volume that they have. Number 14, your lowest month will typically come after your highest one because you ease into your comfort zone and that kills your potential. Every breakthrough in your career lives on the other side of uncomfortable actions. The call you're afraid to make, the price you're scared to quote, the objection you hate handling, that's exactly where your growth is hiding. Number 15, being introverted is not an excuse. I was an introvert and I'm at the top 1% of sales. When I started in sales, I was painfully shy. The first 7 calls I made and my first day, I nearly threw up. By day 90, I was making 70 calls daily, I was having hundreds of chats, and I was sending hundreds and hundreds of emails. Your personality isn't fixed, so stop hiding behind labels and emotional trash and start stretching yourself. Number 16, early embarrassment is essential for your growth. Your first 100 pitches are garbage. Accept it, record yourself, and cringe, then fix it. The top performers screwed up way more times than you have even tried. So fast failure is the road to mastery. Number 17, no one owes you anything. You're on your own. I don't care how good your team is. I don't care how much you love your offer or your boss. When you start underperforming, you will be thrown under the bus. So you remember that. The lead you've been nurturing for 6 months doesn't owe you their business. The prospect who took 3 meetings of your time isn't obligated to sign. Entitlement is sales poison. You don't get rewarded for the work you put in, so fix your inputs and watch your outputs grow. Number 18, talent without discipline is wasted. Natural charm and quick thinking might get you through the door, but systems and consistency get you to the penthouse. I've seen natural-born sales reps who crushed sales calls, but they only took 2 a day. When Joe, who was an introvert, who took 20 a day and lapped them in 0 time. Number 19, the best script in the world will do nothing if you don't fix your mindset. Having the perfect words will not save you if you don't believe them. The best script in the world delivered with doubt will flop. Fix your head first, then worry about your words. Number 21, you're not burned out, you're unprepared, and you don't have a strong enough vision. Burnout is like blaming the ocean for your inability to swim. When you're drowning in rejection, it's not because sales is too hard, it's because your skills and mindset aren't strong enough. Build your capacity or go to the kids pool. Number 21, needing the sale means you've already lost it. The moment your rent depends on closing this deal, you've lost all your power. Desperation leaks through every single word. And look, I'm not a financial expert here, but you need something to fall back on. Your closing rate will thank you. Number 22, busy doesn't equal productive. Your 60-hour weeks mean nothing if you spend them on low-value activities. 1 great hour with a qualified prospect beats days of busy work. So stop confusing motion with progress and start measuring results, not hours. Number 23, most quit after 1 real rejection. That first no isn't rejection, it's the starting line. Most salespeople hear 1 genuine objection and crumble. Champions in sales know that the real conversation starts after the first resistance. That's where the money is made. Number 24, your calendar reveals your future. Show me your schedule for the next 2 weeks and I'll show you your commission check for next month. Time blocking isn't just a cute productive hack, it's the difference between intention and laziness. And I'll tell you, being lazy never paid the bills. Number 25, you're either growing or you're dying. 3 years into my career, I hit a ceiling. Same numbers, same commissions, same excuses. Then a competitor half my age started outselling me. And that day I realized that I was getting comfortable. I stopped improving, and that's what created my ceiling. So if you're not improving, you're falling behind. Number 26, most people are scared of money. Afraid to name your price? Scared to push back on your objections? That's not politeness. That's not you being nice. That's your fear of money. Instead, get comfortable with it. Get used to asking about people's income and discussing prices. Because once you do, you'll find yourself surrounded by it. Number 27, feedback resistance guarantees failure. Your ego is your biggest obstacle to your success. Every critique you avoid is money left on the table. The top performers always look for brutal feedback Not because it feels good, but because it works. Number 28, average people blame their leads, top performers convert them. The same lead list that's garbage to a mediocre rep is gold to a professional. Stop complaining about lead quality and start mastering conversion. The best salespeople are the ones who could sell water in a rainstorm. Number 29, everyone knows when you're winging it. That presentation that you can't rehearse, they can tell. The product you're unclear on, they notice. Winging it isn't charming, it's disrespectful for your prospect's time. Preparation isn't just optional for professionals. Number 30, boundaries create respect. Just like a nightclub with no velvet rope, when you're always available, you're never valuable. When you let prospects reschedule 3 times, you're teaching them that your time is not important. So your time should be the hardest meeting to book in your calendar. Number 31, yesterday's success won't feed tomorrow's family. That president's club trip you're still talking about from 2019, ancient history. Sales reset to 0 every single month. You're only as good as your last quarter. Stay hungry or get irrelevant. Number 32, your reputation outlives your numbers. The sales world is smaller than you think. How you treat your prospects, your colleagues, your staff follows you forever. Burning bridges for short-term gains is a rookie mistake that veterans never make. Number 33, silence sells more than talking. After you ask for the sale, shut up. The person who speaks first loses. That uncomfortable pause you're rushing to feel is where deals are won. Master the art of strategic silence and watch as your close rate doubles. Number 34, inconsistency drains your success. A random burst of activity followed by silence isn't strategy, it's amateur hour. Your prospects need consistent touch points to build trust. Random perfection loses to consistent action every single time. Number 35, your prospects have the answers. The questions you ask matter way more than the points that you make. Stop talking at prospects and start investigating with them and collaborating with them. Number 36, your circle is holding you back. The 5 people you hang out the most are setting your earning ceiling. If they're celebrating their mediocre months and making excuses, guess what you will do? Find mentors who make your goals look small. Number 37, no one is coming to save you. That marketing campaign won't suddenly flood you with the perfect leads. That new product feature, it won't magically close your deals. Your territory isn't getting any better. The challenge you're facing is yours to solve. Number 38, there's always someone who's gonna be working harder than you. While you're still debating whether to make one more call or send one more text, your competitor just booked the meeting that you wanted. While you're taking that extended lunch and you're chilling out, they're studying your shared prospect. The hungrier rep and the most motivated always eats first. Number 39, the economy isn't your biggest problem. In every recession, someone's still making sales. In every single industry slump, someone's still hitting targets. External events and things that are happening are cool and real, but they're rarely the primary factor in your performance. So fix what's controllable. Control your controllables, in other words. Number 40, you are your only true competitor. It's just like a race where you're running against yesterday's version of yourself. Sales success is beating yourself daily. The voice that says you're good enough and that's good for today is the one true enemy. Push past what you thought was your limit and watch as your barriers collapse. Now, if you want to see me rank the best and the worst sales gurus in 2025, watch this video right here and I'll see you over there.